Hello and welcome to another Artful Bodger video. In today's video I am going to be building an IKEA Malm double bed. I'm going to be building it in this tiny room here, coming up next. So if you're not already aware of it, the IKEA Malm range is quite good value, good quality product that they do. We've got a double bed here. It comes in 3 boxes, 1, 2 and 3, and we've also got this piece of metal as well which comes with it. I'm going to be building it in this quite compact room here. I'm going to be building it across the back of the room. So let's get started.
So the first thing to do is open box 1, which had the bed head and then the base of the bed and a bit of wood underneath the bed head. It also had all the small parts. Then it was box 2 that had the sides of the bed and also the rails. Box 3 had the slat, and I didn't need that yet. So I like to lay out all the small parts so I can check I've got enough of each thing and check them against the instructions. Here they all are. So the first job is to use these feet, which are part 1, 2, 2, 6 to 8, and I hammered those onto the front and the rear of the bed. Next job was to use parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 1. They go into the front and the rear of the bed, 8 in total, and I used the spanner to tighten them in. Moving to the sides of the beds, it's time to put some dowels in. These dowels are 101 359s, and I hammer them in. And then we use these parts, which are 114670, making sure the arrow is aligned correctly. And we use the supplied Allen key to tighten them up. And as you can see, we have the full frame. More dowels. Part 101367, again using my pliers because I've got my hammer. And now we're using part 114334. These screw into the top of the front of the bed, and again I'm using the provided spanner to screw them in. And then we slot the bed head over the top and push it down. And to fill this cutout here, we use part 122998 and the nut 114254 to screw on top of it, tightening it with a spanner. Now, depending on the size of your mattress, you do something slightly different here. If you have a thin mattress, you use the higher holes, and if you have a thick mattress, you use the lower holes to attach your bed rails. So then we use 16 110789 bolts to attach the rails. I'm using my power driver. If you do this, make sure that you have the clutch set. Again, depending on your mattress thickness, you have to change where you put these brackets. The higher holes for a thin mattress, the lower holes for a thicker one. Again, using my power drill here, please do make sure you have a clutch set. It's now time to fit these reinforcement strips, parts 117228, and I fit those with bolts 117327. And then we fit the middle bar, which is extendable to fit the depth of the bed, and it just rests on those brackets. Finally, I get to open the third box, which has got the slats in it. So these are held on the frame in place by these rubber stops, part 102267, and we screw them to the frame using the bolt 105163. Now, full disclosure, for the first time ever, I actually found something missing from this kit. It was another 2 reinforcing bars that go at the rear of the bed. I have actually ordered those and received them since, and it was free, but obviously it would have been best if they had been there in the first place.
So there we go, not too tricky at all, apart from the 2 bits that seem to be missing from the package, which I shall chase IKEA on. Do look out for this video here on the Vadso mattress that we're going to put on top of it. It's well worth watching just to see the thing expand. Anyway, I shall see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and I shall see you in the next video.